What's the meaning of cod liver oil? Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil.
Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is a nutrient-rich oil extracted from the livers of codfish. It is a source of important vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin D, as well as essential omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming cod liver oil can result in various health benefits, including improved bone health, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune system. Additionally, research suggests that cod liver oil may be beneficial for brain function, eye health, and even mood regulation. However, it is important to consume cod liver oil in moderation, as excessive intake may cause negative side effects.